Hi, this is Amy Lewis with Cisco. We're here for today's episode of Engineers Unplugged. I've got Joe Onisick and Craig Chapman. I forgot your name because I think of you as Virtual Chappie.
Awesome.
So, are you guys ready?
I think we are.
Ready?
Doubtful.
Great. One, no. Are you ready? Let's see.
Let's do it.
We're on.
Joe, so what I was thinking about, and as we were talking, what about we expand some of these terms that we're continually talking about? What are your thoughts on that?
Sounds like a great idea. What terms would you like to expand?
Let's expand on the term of VDI and then go into the business drivers of why. We get all this tech and we get into it and we get geeked out, but why?
Excellent question. So first of all, this is the year of VDI, right? Or was that 2011?
I believe it was 2010. Yeah, it's all of them.
All of them. Why is that?
Because we need stuff to happen faster than what is happening now. And, you know, honestly, I want access everywhere, right? I want to be able to do whatever I do anywhere I go.
So then VDI is the obvious solution to that one, right?
Is it?
Well, that's what everyone tells me.
Well, that might be the case, but for every application, I don't think VDI is the obvious solution.
But all applications are the same, aren't they?
No, some aren't even written for what we can do on a normal basis. I mean, think about Windows apps, right? We got Windows apps all the time, MSIs and all that good stuff. But what about iPad apps? App Store, on-the-fly stuff, and it's written completely differently for a completely different experience.
So you're saying it's probably not going to be conducive to my user experience to run Windows 7 on my iPad?
I'm not saying that. I'm saying you could still get that, but what if your user experience is better provided by a different app and a different way of thinking about your tactile interface?
I love that idea. So I'm going to get a native app in the environment of the device I'm using?
Yeah, so it doesn't matter what the actual app is. What if I could serve it to you in a device-based context?
So what are we talking, app virtualization now, or rewriting apps, combination of?
Yeah, kind of a combination. I mean, what if we could rewrite apps on the fly for any device that services your user experience, Joe? Because honestly, if nobody knows, the world is about Joe.
I absolutely agree with that. I think you should too.
Excellent. So let's kind of go through some of the concepts on this. You with me?
Let's do it. We've got a box. In that box are some words.
So this is an iPad, right? It's a horrible version, and I'm sure I'm going to get sued by Apple. But then we've got all kinds of the tablet category, right?
I know a good lawyer for that.
Awesome, awesome. So what am I going to have to pay? About $1 billion?
A little more.
So I mean, you've got that. You've got right, the phone market, right? I've still got Clippy on my laptop or my Ultrabook. What are some of the other novel environments you see come in? I mean, maybe not now, but maybe in the future that are going to be more applicable to us as a user base?
I would say just still different laptops, different desktops, home desktops versus work desktops, that type of thing.
Yeah, excellent. So what if we could just take the app backend? Somebody's getting cloud freaky over there. And what if we could just take this, and no matter what device I use, it's in a device-based context. So I'm still using Word, but when it's on an iPad, all the tactile interfaces are built for me in that experience. When I'm using a Galaxy Tab, it's built for me in that experience. When I'm using an Ultrabook, yes, it looks very similar, but it's built for me in that experience. So, you know, we're talking about things like Horizon App Manager, Mirage, we're talking about Horizon Data, where I've got clients all over the place and I can still access all my data. I mean, how many times are you going to edit a spreadsheet on your phone?
Never.
But if you needed to, if it was based on the context of that device, it'd be a lot better than having to zoom, push, pull, move. Oh my God, I can't get to the cell, You see where I'm going?
I agree, and I think at some point we're going to have consumer devices and creator devices. I'll create the spreadsheet on my laptop, but I'm going to use it most often on an iPad, on a tablet, on a Galaxy Note.
That's an excellent point. So now I have complete creation control, but I also have complete display control. So when I want to present to Joe, I have everything I need, no matter what device I'm on. I like that. The world is about you.
It is about me, and this seems like a message we're hearing a lot in IT right now. It's about getting back to the business use case. What am I trying to do, not rather than what have I been doing in the past?
Yeah, so from a business perspective, when I'm talking, I need to understand why. And I need to know what I'm doing it for. So for my users out there in user land, it's all about getting back to serviceability of our app, serviceability of the line of business owners, and making sure that we can deliver on any of these things that we come into and make sure it's solid, it's repeatable, and we do really what we need to, and we evangelize the new stuff and how it works better.
I agree. When you're talking about IT, start with what am I trying to do?
Yes, I agree.
All right, great comments, guys. So as our longtime fans of Engineers Unplugged, we can guess what I'm going to ask for next. So everybody, it's unicorn drawing time. Woo! Grab your marker, draw your unicorn, go!
All right, let's erase this and let's go.
Go! Let's see those unicorns.
On the map. We are the same.
All right.
Kind of.
Craig's unicorn, Joe's unicorn. You can vote, hashtag Engineers Unplugged. Woo! Thanks for joining us. Thanks, guys, so much. If you want more, virtual Chappie, John is sick. You're welcome. And we'll see you next time.